This is the Green Planet, the largest indoor zoo of Dubai.
You can get your tickets online or at the counters, ranges from 140 to 160 dirhams.
So let's go inside. But make sure do not touch any bird, animal or plant. Do not touch it. Yeah. This is the largest artificial tree of the world. Its height is of 25 meters. It's really very high. Inside the dome, you can watch more than 3,000 different plants, animals, reptiles, and definitely the artificial waterfall. Of very close connection with the birds. You can take some nice pictures, you can make some nice videos. I think it is a very special spot for the lot of TikTokers and other YouTube influencers. I loved it. So keep watching. Thank you.
Thank you for watching and have a very nice day. See you then. Bye.